Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to arch text in Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, type in some texts you want to do this with. It doesn't matter much as you can change it again later and go and select it. Now go to the top of Word and tap on Inserts. Go over to the right and find the option for WordArt in U. Or a random one, it doesn't matter. Then you go over to the left and tap on Home. Come into the front section and you want to select Clear All Formatting like so. Now you want to go to the top and tap on Shape Format. Go over into WordArt Styles and tap Text Effects. Hover over Transform and come into Follow Path, and what you need to do is go and choose Arch. There it is. Now what we can do is go and resize it by clicking, holding and dragging. Then you can go and click in here and you can select the text to go and resize it like so. You can click off of it and there we go. You can then click off it and you can go and move it around. And of course rotate it as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.